Welcome to seasparkles Corner. Oh, stupid. There. Alright, I'll get this side here. David now is attaching the end to the foot. This is the footboard.
I strongly suggest you just keep recording what I'm about to be doing, because I'm about to do literally 3 things all at once. Right now I'm putting the cross beams onto the footboard, and then I'm going to be adding the next 3 pieces all literally almost right after each other.
Okay.
So this part is about to fly.
Well, your grandmother called. I had to be polite and answer it.
Okay, apparently they included 2 different Allen wrenches. Before finding out what that one's for.
Different Allen wrenches come in different sizes.
Yep. This is a slightly small one, so I wonder what it's for. I wonder if it's for these. Because after I tighten these up, I'm going to drop this down, be sliding it in, and I'm going to be adding 3 cross pulls to it, all one right after the other. I've even got all the screws set out too, so I'm going to be even pressing them down.
Okay.
That's what I'm about to be doing, because this is the frame enclosure for the bed frame.
You looking forward to sleeping on your new bed tonight? No more concrete blocks. You're gonna miss them.
Well, we had a bed frame
I was just trying to keep it from shifting.
yeah.
Alright.
Okay. Oh.
Alright. That's that slotted together.
It's coming along quickly. Tell us what you're doing.
Well, I'm adding some screw down cross pulls right now. And then I'm going to be doing the middle one, and I'm going to be doing the one on the other end.
You got all these tons of poles.
Yep.
It looks like a bed frame.
Yep.
It must be a bed frame.
Yeah, it must be a bed frame. Is this rounded? No, that should work.
He's using an Allen wrench to
Nope.
tighten those screws.
Apparently that's a different size or something. Or I'm just sucking getting it into the screw. Unless this is this size. Let's see if it's this size. Shall we? Yep, it's that size. Alright.
There's my wrench.
Alright. Alright, so I'll throw it so it don't matter what orientation this ends up in.
You want it the same as the
Wait a
match
minute.
the others, so with how the
It goes
mattress
this
goes
way.
in. Yep.
There's like a little
That way your bed is
Little-
level. It doesn't
little
matter.
wedge. It's got a little lip on it.
That way your mattress is there without
It's
slipping
got a little
off.
lip on it, so apparently it rests on there.
Oh yeah.
This has got a little lip on it. Do the other side, and I'll tighten that down.
I'm coming. I'm standing the other side, that way I'm not in your way. Yeah, it's got the little lip on it.
Yeah, it's got a little lip on it, so apparently this
That
is
way it
correct.
rests on the bed.
This is apparently the correct orientation because
Yep.
the little lip is probably for when you put weight on it. Or the
So the bed don't
what
close.
was that?
I think you're right.
Oh. Probably so that way you're less likely to break the weld, I guess.
Yep.
Nope. Come on. Keep going so that way I can just. There we go. It's probably a little hard to turn because everything's all shifted right now. This one, finger this one in quickly, and just tighten it down. There. All right. Tighten this in. Alright. Now the third one. Alright.
It's a bed frame.
Yep. And we're actually getting to the part where it's all going to be fast, considering that's all that's left.
No, this right here.
Yeah, all that's rinse and repeat going. Okay, now I want to show something to everybody. Okay. Now in the instructions, the slots are all orientated the same way. Apparently, at some point, they had one version of these pieces for this half, and another version for that half.
Yeah.
Now they basically have repeated that half down here. So now all the slots is all facing to the middle.
Like they're supposed to. Yeah.
The instructions has the slots all orientated that way to the foot of the bed. That little difference
And so you got one coming down the middle.
don't matter.
Yeah,
I don't know if you're showing up worth shit on the video though,
it is.
but
Worth is showing us like stuff.
yeah. Okay, now, alright. I wanted to show that to everybody and basically make it perfectly clear. It don't matter. Okay. Back to flying on through this.
Okay, I'm gonna shut off while you figure it out.
Oh, I already
Thanks
have.
for watching.
P is, okay, the outside tooth is, that's that tooth is P, and
Well, you